Outside, it's Miss Hannah. I'm going to show you today how you can use jars or bottles that you have around the house to make some musical instruments, then you can make fun patterns with them. So I just took some jars from around the house. They don't have to be exactly the same size, so like these are different, just close, and I filled them all with different amounts of water. So I used some food coloring to help you see that there are different amounts of water, since it wouldn't show up as well on camera, but if you're doing that at home, you don't need to add food coloring, but it does make it fun and colorful. So it's got some jars. I filled them all with different amounts of water, so you see this one doesn't have very much. It has a little more, than this one has the most in it. So those different amounts of water will help to make different sounds when I hit on this with my little makeshift xylophone mallet. So this is just a wooden dowel I had around the house. If you have a toy xylophone, you could use a xylophone mallet. You could use chopsticks, really anything you have lying around. But when you tap on it, it makes a sound. That's kind of a low sound. Tap on this one. That's higher, so that's a different sound. The different amounts of water have given them different sounds. And higher. That's a very high sound there. So I've got all of these jars making different sounds, so I think I'm going to try to make a pattern of different sounds with these jars. So pattern is something that repeats. It goes over and over again. So I am going to repeat. I'm going to make a sound with the purple jar and the blue jar. So I'm going to go purple, blue, purple, blue, purple, blue, so that it repeats. So there it was my purple-blue pattern. I think I should add in another color to my pattern. So how about I add in this yellow one here? So I think I'll go yellow, blue, purple. And I'm going to repeat that because it's a pattern, so it'll keep repeating. So, oops, I hit the red one back. Yellow, blue, purple, yellow, blue, purple, yellow, blue, purple. Where's that pattern? I could even use all of these to make a pattern. So I could start here and go red, yellow, green, blue, purple, and then keep repeating that. So that's another pattern you could do. That almost sounds like a xylophone when you do that. All of them. I could even go purple, purple, green, purple, purple, green to mix it up. So this is something easy that you could do at your house to make your own patterns. Or do you have any other musical instruments at your house that you could make patterns with? Maybe maracas, xylophones, tambourines. Let me know if you made any fun patterns with musical instruments. Have fun!